gentlemen, I would like to be the first to welcome you to my time. It would take the captain just a few minutes to taxi the airplane to the gate. It is requested that you remain in your seat with your seatbelt fastened until you park the aircraft and turn off the seatbelt sign. In addition, please keep the aisles clear of all carry-on luggage. Once you reach the gate, please be sure to check around your seats, in the seat pockets and overhead bins, ensuring you have all your personal items with you. Use caution when opening bins as luggage may have moved during landing. At this time, you're free to turn on your cell phones. All other electronic devices must remain on. On behalf of the entire crew, I'd like to say it's been a pleasure having you aboard.